This is the famous potatoes recipe. It's a real treat. Let's start by cutting in half 900 grams of peeled potatoes, then cut them in half again. Then put them in a pot and cover them with water. Add a teaspoon of salt, turn on maximum heat, and leave it to cook for 15 minutes. To check if they're ready, pierce them with a fork. If it goes in easily, they're done. Now put them in a bowl and mash the potatoes using a masher. Add a bit of parsley and chives, black pepper, and 100 grams of grated cheese. Mix well until smooth. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following us. We'd love to know. When you've finished mixing, put the bowl aside. In a pan on medium heat, add a drizzle of oil, 1 chopped onion, half of a chopped bell pepper, 3 garlic cloves, and sauté them. Add 600 grams of beef mince and sauté it until the beef starts to release some water. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love potatoes. Let's season the beef with half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of mild paprika. Mix well and cover the pan with a lid until the beef absorbs the water. When water starts to evaporate, remove the lid and add 1 grated carrot, parsley, and chives to taste, and keep sautéing for 5 minutes. Try this recipe at home and write me in the comments what you think. I'm sure your family will love it. After 5 minutes, remove the beef from the stove and wait for it to cool down a little. Then add 4 eggs and mix well. In a baking pan, drizzle some oil and spread it across. Put the cooked beef in it and using a spatula, spread it across the bottom. Then add the mashed potatoes we prepared at the beginning of this video and spread it too. Pierce the mash with the fork on different parts. Then put everything in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes or until it turns gold. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.